Hello and welcome to our presentation today. So, this presentation will illustrate about the online art gallery, which is our project and our topic for today. This is Group 10 presentation at PDM class. Before getting started, we will take a brief look about the layout first. There are 4 different parts, including project introduction, interface analysis, database analysis, and conclusion, which will be presented by me, Nguyễn Đình Thắng, and Huỳnh Thanh Thủy from Group 10. So first of all, we will take a look about the online art gallery introduction. So the online art gallery is an innovative fusion of art and technology, dive into the vibrant space where enthusiasts, artists, and buyers converge, experience the future of art exploration. Also, the online art gallery offers a chance to blend traditional arts with modern technology. This dynamic platform enhances accessibility, fostering vibrant online community. Moving on. So the reason for us to choose this topic is adapting to changing perspective, accessibility of overcoming barriers, flexibility and convenience, affordability, digital engagement, and adaptation to changing trends, also supplementing traditional approaches. So now moving on to the interface analysis by Nguyễn Thanh Thủy.
Okay, so now we will go through the interface analysis. Here we develop an applications by using Java Swing and NetBeans. In this applications, we have implemented some SQL statement to build our app. So let's get a walkthrough here. The first, when we come to the app, we will see the login page. The login page will use the data we import in the users table in our online database to check and verify the users. Here's the login page with the connection to JDBC libraries and check the username and password. Taking a bit long to connect to the server. I will run the program again. Seems like have some problem with the connection since the network is not good. So it takes time to retrieve the link from the internet. Now we have logged it in and here you can see our home screen. The home screen will like the welcome screen and we go to the main features. Here to the artist tab, you can see our artist list display in a card here. So each artist will have their detailed information displayed in a pop-up dialog. The artist information also stored in our database. And next, we go to the artwork tab. The artwork here is the all the artworks available in our database, and each artwork also have its detailed information. Here, I implement the function to search the artworks by the artist name. For information, we can search for the artworks from Pablo Picasso. And it will return on the artwork in our database that was drawn by Picasso. Or we can also choose the mediums, the materials of the artworks. Here, the medium is imported into the list. And for example, I can choose this medium here, and it will display the artwork that book was made with the medium. The next page is about us. Here we haven't had enough time to implement on the information to the about us. In the future, we will also implement the interface for modify the user's information and also use all the data in our database like about the artwork transactions or something like that. Hence, that's all about the interface. Next, we will go to the database analysis.
Okay, then okay, so moving on to the database analysis by me. So first, so the database, the overall database of online art galleries applications will provide the artwork informations, also the art availability, artists, users, or we call it sellers and buyers, transactions for the sale and buys artworks, shipments according to the transactions, event, schedule, and submissions for the artworks. The first one is users. Users will hold username, password, full name, phone numbers, and address of each users in the gallery. Next one is the artwork. The artwork will show you the art products, including creation date, creators, size, image URL, title, and descriptions. Also, there will be art availability, data attributes to show the status of the artworks. Moving on is the artist. This is the place for the artist name, email, phone numbers, avatar links, and social media links. For the transaction one is the place to hold the artist, which is called sellers, and users, which are buyers, can sell and buy, purchase for the artwork products. The next one is shipment. This will be allowing shows the status, shipping dates, and delivery dates of the art products according to the transaction attributes. The next two ones are events and schedules. We provide the timeline for events, which including start time, end time, location, and description. This will have the same one with the schedule one. And last but not least is the submission. This is a place to show the status of the artworks made by artists. Like here, also the submission day. So now we will moving on to the conclusion. By this project, we'll have we also have the opportunity to create the database, the real database one. We can generate a lot of links. We have to gather and research for many times. And for interface, Huỳnh Thủy will talk about her works about the interfaces.
About the interface, this is the first time I have made an application using Java Swing library. I also take a lot of reference from YouTube channels to improve the looks and the feels of our apps. It is still not very neat and clean, and also not delivering enough of our contents on a database, but it's worth good applications for all the knowledge we have learned in the class, like using the JDBC library to connect to the database and using Java Swing to construct the interface.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any comments down below, please join us on the email and the phone number on the report. Thank you.